The trick here to make it easier on me, and it might be easier on you, is that whenever I start working on it, I will actually cant the gun a touch just to hit the bubble, not even half, about a quarter bubble off level. So I touch the far side of that bubble up against that witness mark, and I let that be my level. Right? Now all I have to do is match that level to what's on the scope. That's my level that I'm matching to the barrel clamp level. The edge of the bubble to that line is a lot more consistent, trying to guesstimate where the center of that window is. Once I get it torqued down, then if I want to, I can just twist the whole rifle in the vice jaws, and that's not the scope, that's just the rifle. All right, I guess that's the center of the window, and then I'll confirm it here. Holy crap, I actually torqued everything off of there. But once it's all torqued, I can just manipulate the rifle, and guess what? It's still